Streamline your manufacturing, the power of ERP software. Integrated operations refers to the consolidation and synchronization of all aspects of a manufacturing business into a unified system. This includes integrating various functions such as production, planning, inventory management, supply chain logistics, financial management, and human resources within a single software platform. Benefits of DoFort ERP. Integrated modules, real-time data access, advanced production planning, precise inventory management, streamlined procurement processes, enhanced quality control, comprehensive reporting and analytics. Boost efficiency with manufacturing ERP software. Features of DoFort ERP. Production planning, inventory management, supply chain management, quality control. Financial management, reporting and analytics, mobile access. Manufacturing ERP software is the key to unlocking efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness in today's manufacturing landscape. By integrating all aspects of operations into one cohesive platform, businesses can streamline processes, optimize resource utilization, and make data-driven decisions in real time. Thank you for watching.